the classifications of the binary code. So based on the two categories, one is weighted binary code, another one is the non-weighted binary code. So what is the meaning of weighted code means? If you are applying any positional weight, right, if you are applying any positional weight, then it is called as the weighted binary code. What is the meaning of positional weight? Something if you are applying r power 0, r power 1, r power 2 integer part, right, and fractional part followed by this direction, right, if you use this method, then it is called as the weighted binary code, right. For 8421 code, we used to find out the positional weight, right, then it is called as the weighted binary code. What is the meaning of non-weighted binary codes? If you are not applying any positional weight, then it is called as the non-weighted code. Why XS3 is not non-weighted code? Because XS3 code is nothing but if the given number is 3, just we are adding plus 3, right? So it means we are getting the 6. So just we are adding plus 3, right? We are not using any r power 0 formula. So weighted code is the non-weighted code is XS3 is the example for the non-weighted code. Then one more is why gray code is the non-weighted code. Gray code also we have the procedure, right, how to convert the given binary number to gray number as well as the gray number to the binary number. We are not using the positional weight, so it is also non-weighted code. What do you mean by sequential code? If you are getting the value, first number is something 0 0 0, second number is 0 0 1, third number is 0 0 1 0. If it is incremental order, first number is 0 1 2 something, right? So these kind of codes are called as the sequential code. If you take XS3 code table, 8421 code table, then you will be finding the value in the incremental order. So what is the meaning of cyclic code or gray code means? What is the meaning of this one? If you compare 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0, if you compare one bit number with the another bit number, it will differ by only one position. If it is differ by only one position means it is called as the unit distance code or gray code. What is the meaning of self-complemented code? Self-complemented code means if you are complementing the one number, again you should get the another number. So what do you mean by this? If you see that here XS3 code is the self-complemented code. This is the table of the XS code, right? You just perform the ones complement, then what is the answer? 1100, right? So this value we are getting, right? Again complement this one, 1100. What is the ones complement value? 00, right? Fine, 0011, right? Again we are getting the same value, right? For this one, this is the ones complement, right? Again for this one, this is the ones complement, right? Throughout of the table, it is obeying the self complement operation. So then it is called as the self complemented codes, right? So now what is the next type of code? Error detection and error correction code. For error detection means only identification error, we are using the parity method. In parity method we have two types. One is called as the even parity, another one is called as the odd parity.